Harshit and welcome to my channel. We have something special today. I just got a package from VISTAPRINT. Let's see what's inside this and let's unbox it. So guys, this is the package. So let's open it quickly. So let's see what's inside. Any guesses? So this is our t-shirt, aka my channel. Let's open this up. Wow, so nice. So this is a polo t-shirt which I ordered from VISTAPRINT, and this is how it looks. So they've stitched my logo over here and they've protected it with some plastic, and this is how it looks from inside. And as you can see, it's written male, made in India, and it's a medium sized t-shirt. So guys, this is the t-shirt. I can't wait anymore to just try this out. Hey, you got a new t-shirt, customized one. Yeah, what's wrong in this? I just wanted to try printing my own logo. So I just tried. Can I try it? Yeah, of course you can. Here you go. Thank you. I'll just come back in one moment. So until he comes back, let him go try the t-shirt and come back. So until then, let me tell you what was the price of the t-shirt and like how many days did it take for me to get delivered. Like I bought this polo t-shirt and I uploaded my logo onto it. So they've stitched it onto my t-shirt. I paid about 440 rupees for this t-shirt, and I booked it around 26th of September, and they've delivered it to me, like that is today on 28th of September. It just took 2 days. I'm quite surprised by the delivery speed of VISTAPRINT. So let's also check the quality. Like I'm just waiting for him to come back. Let him just come back and we'll have a look at the quality. Oh, you're back? Yeah, just come here. So, tell them, how's the t-shirt? How's the quality? Yeah, just see. It's looking good. The t-shirt is a perfect fit. He just ordered a medium one and it fits perfectly. It's a quite soft material and I'm pretty happy with this t-shirt. Okay, I'm very busy right now. I have to leave. He's going to explain you the process how you can get your own customized t-shirt. So why don't you just explain them and I'll get back to you later. Okay, you just leave. I'll tell them how it's done. See you. So guys, I'll tell you how to book the customized t-shirt using VISTAPRINT. So let's move to our desktop. So this is VISTAPRINT.in. You have to come to the embroidered clothing tab and then click on men's polo t-shirt. Here you just choose embroidered men's polo t-shirt and then click on upload your complete design. Click on get started. You have to upload your design over here. Click on upload, add image, next. You can choose an image which is on your desktop. For me it's already here, so I'll click on this and then click on move and resize, and you can adjust the size of your logo, but it should not cross the box over here.
Once you're done, scroll down, click on next, and this is a preview of your t-shirt. You can view it larger, check if the size is okay, and then click on I have reviewed and approved my design and click next. Once you do that, you can choose the size of your t-shirt, choose the quantity, and you can also add another size. And if you want some information about the sizing, you can click on the about sizing. Here you'll get some information about that. Once you're done with that, click on next. Here they'll show you some other products with the same logo. If you want, you can buy one of these, or just click on go to cart. Here you can see the selected items, and you can also edit your design, preview your design once, and just click on checkout. So once you come here, you can choose your delivery address and billing address, and then click on choose a delivery speed. Like most of them are free over here. Click on express and click next. Once you do that, you have to you'll come to the payment option. Like choose whichever payment option is comfortable for you. Then once you do that, you'll go to a review column where you will get to finalize or see what you are going to purchase. Then the last step is order completion.
Hey, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and from now onwards I'll be wearing this t-shirt in upcoming videos. I'll be wearing the t-shirt. Oh, I'm sorry, he'll be wearing this t-shirt for upcoming videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.